Can a wife be driven out of a matrimonial house? In India, majority of the divorces happen firstly because of family interference and secondly due to financial reasons. In one of my clients' case, let's call her Veena for her privacy, the in-laws turned her marriage into a tug-of-war, determined to throw her away from the matrimonial house. After a heated argument, the in-laws told Veena to pack her bags and leave the matrimonial house. As she stood there trembling, her mother-in-law snapped a heavy iron padlock onto her bedroom door. Veena looked to her husband for help, but he had already fled away under the crumbling pressure of his parents. In that moment of helplessness, Veena was compelled to return back to her parental house along with a minor son, penniless and discarded. Veena chose to stand up for her dignity and for her son. Filing a case isn't always about breaking a family, sometimes it is the only way to protect one. We fought back using two powerful legal shields. Under Section 17 of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, she has an absolute right to reside in her shared household. It doesn't matter if the house is in the name of the in-laws or if it is rented. If she resided there as a wife, that means it is her matrimonial house and she has an absolute right to reside there in the shared household. We moved before the court for a residence order to legally break those padlocks and let her back in her matrimonial house. And we also prayed for a protection order for stopping the harassment by her in-laws. We also demanded for monetary relief as the husband cannot simply run away from his duty to provide for his wife's and child's daily needs. But we didn't stop there. Veena's intent was to keep her family together, so we filed for restitution of conjugal rights under Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act. We asked the court to direct the husband to return to his duties and restore the conjugal life. And because Veena had no income of her own as a simple housewife, so we filed a petition under Section 24 to claim interim alimony under the same matrimonial suit. This ensured that from the very first day of the battle, the husband was legally obligated to cover the legal fees and the monthly expenses of the minor son. If the doors of your matrimonial home have been locked against you, remember that you are not a guest in your own matrimonial house. The law holds the key to turn it. Stay informed, stay empowered.